Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review Asics Joggers X81. I have done a lot of reviews previously. If you check out my channel, I have reviewed Adidas Superstar, New Balances and Reeboks, and now I'm going to review Asics Joggers X81. Now the reason I love this shoe, I'll get into that in the video, but top of the line, the reason I love this shoe is because I feel it's a hybrid between sneakers, running shoe and an everyday shoe. So I'm going to break down this video into 4 different sections, things that I like, and at the end I'm going to highlight one con which might be a reason for you to not buy these shoes. So without wasting a lot of time, let's get right into it. But before we do that, guys, can I please request you to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful in any form or shape. And I do post a lot of videos about other things as well, so please check out my channel for more content. Alright, let's get started talking about the first pro of the shoe. In terms of comfort and fit, guys, I think these shoes are quite breathable because of the mesh upper material that they have, which makes a lot of difference, and it honestly feels like a second skin. The lacing system that you see on the shoe is simple and effective and allows for a very snug and a personalized fit. Walking around in these shoes, guys, they feel incredibly comfortable. There's ample of cushioning underfoot, as you can see in this video, but it does sometimes feel overly squishy. But I think it's a good balance in my opinion, and I would definitely take them out for a quick jog or a quick run. Next is the breathability, guys, because I know a lot of people would use Jogger X81. I mean, the name is Joggers X81, so that definitely are going to use it for running and jogging as well. So I think in terms of breathability, because of the material that they have, it allows for a lot of perspiration to evaporate. At the same time, it also somehow restricts a lot of external moisture to seep into the shoes. So this is something that I really like about the shoes as compared to other running sneakers, which has like a complete mesh on top of it. So the material works in the shoes' favor. Now, like I mentioned, I have been using this for jogging and running for quite a while, and my feet definitely feels cool and dry. The mesh upper, like I mentioned before, it does a really good job of letting the heat also escape, especially on warmer days where I haven't experienced any overheating as such. Now let's talk about the performance of the shoes, guys. The X81 features Asics proprietary flight foam midsole technology, which is designed to be both lightweight and responsive. They also have durable AHAR outsole for reliable traction on variety of surfaces. Now, putting these shoes through paces, I am absolutely impressed with how they perform. So the flight foam definitely delivers on that responsiveness feel. It's not bounciest of the shoe out there, guys. I mean, of course, there's more comfortable and more bouncy shoes like the Nikes of the world, but it does give you good energy return to feel quick and efficient while you're running. And the outsole provides good grip even on wet pavement, guys. So I definitely feel confident whenever I'm wearing these shoes and going out for a quick run or a quick stroll. Now let's talk about the durability of these shoes, because I see that you might be wondering that I have had these shoes for a while, and I definitely have had these shoes for around a year, and you can see there is a bit of wear and tear, signs of wear and tear on the top of the shoe. Otherwise, I don't see much signs, especially on top. I mean, this wear and tear is of course considered normal when you wear your shoes regularly, and I've been wearing them regularly. In fact, also use them for my gym workouts as well. So the rubber outsole has definitely stood the test of time. It has not given up, and it has a good traction as well. So even on slippery surfaces, it has not caused any issues. I don't think there is any signs of wear and tear on the shoes, guys, apart from the minor discoloration that you see on the suede material which is on the front of the shoe. In terms of washing the shoes, guys, I have created a separate video on how to wash your sneakers. I'll have it linked down below. You can see that. But I have washed these sneakers only once in my life, and I think I washed them like 6-7 months ago, and they are still pretty good. So they don't attract a lot of dust. They seem to be quite durable, and have had them for a year. So I think I'm going to use them for around a couple of more years before retiring them. But the sole has not given up on me. The sole has not compressed. It has not done anything. So I am definitely impressed by this shoe. Now I want to talk about the only downside of the shoe, and I don't think this should be considered as a downside or a con of the shoe, because I think it's not the fault of these shoes. It's the fault of the people in in the corporate office who are pricing these shoes, because I paid around 150 Canadian dollars for this shoe, which is around I think 120 USD or 10,000 Indian rupees. So yeah, I paid a lot for this shoe, but sometimes they go on sale and you might find them for even 70 or 80 dollars. So I think in terms of pricing, guys, when I purchased the shoe last year, 150 Canadian dollars was definitely on the higher side. I don't think that's how much this shoe would cost you. If that were the case, I would have gone for some dad sneakers by Asics, or I would have gone for Nike running sneakers, because I know how comfortable Nike sneakers are and they also look aesthetically pleasing as compared to this colorway. But like I said, guys, I'm not really disappointed. Price is something that depends on person to person. If you think $150 is too expensive for you, then I would definitely suggest either wait for a sale or look for an alternate option. But if you think that you're getting the shoes for even around $100, $110, and I don't think you should waste time. If you're looking to buy sneakers that are good, comfortable, that you can wear every day, especially for quick runs, quick jogs, and as a part-time sneakers, and can also wear it for gym workouts, I think this is like a very versatile sneaker to have. Asics Joggers X81, guys. That's it for the review, guys. It was a very short and a sweet video. Again, if you like the video, guys, can I please request you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to create a lot of sneaker videos and other helpful videos that will help you out there ultimately. So every subscriber helps. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers.